Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to change PNG to JPG on Android. And here's how it's done. First, open Google on your phone and type PNG to JPG converter. You will see a bunch of websites that can do this for free. You can use any site you prefer. Next, upload your PNG file that you want to convert. Once it is uploaded, just wait for the website to process it. After a few seconds, you will get the download option for your new JPG image. Tap download, and that's it. Your PNG has now been successfully converted to JPG. Now you know how to change PNG to JPG on Android. Quick, simple, and super handy for saving space or sharing images more easily. With just a few taps, you can convert your files without any apps or confusion. It is an easy trick every Android user should know. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart tech tips. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. We hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.